The Araucaria, or Brazilian pine forests, covered an original area of 233,000 square kilometers. Nowadays, just 3% of this ecosystem remains. Here, we demonstrate 3 different treatments or technologies to restore areas degraded by crops and pastures in a 7-hectare area at the Paraná Federal Technology University, Brazil. The first restoration technology consisted in passive or natural regeneration. The second, an innovative model called nucleation, which consists in a set of techniques applied just in 1/3 of the area, for example, artificial perches and shelters for animals, seed bank and seed rain seedlings planted in islets, cover crops, bromeliads and a high diversity of tree islets, working all together in an integrated system. The third treatment implanted was the high diversity tree plantation in the whole area, but distinguishing fast-growing trees to shade the slow-growing species, one after the other in lines. After 7 years helping nature to rebuild the forests, we show clear visual evidences between the forests produced by the 3 technologies. Passive restoration has been slower in the overstory construction and more open to native herbs and shrubs, but also invasive grasses. The plantation has already made a dense canopy cover in the whole area, facilitating the understory regeneration, especially by the planted species, and eliminated invasive grasses. And lastly, presented intermediate results. The nucleation established a more heterogeneous overstory and understory, but also allowed the presence of invasive species in a certain degree. Even slower, nucleation was economically 30% cheaper than the plantation technology. Since we registered animals and plant species presented in nucleation and not in the plantation, and vice versa, we recommend a mix of these treatments to use the advantages of each technology together. As a final point, we should be patient because in order to rebuild a tropical forest, it will still take decades or even centuries to recover its fantastic and highly complex biodiversity.